So let's say that someone has invited you to join a Google Meet meeting through an email invitation. So for that, you need to access your email first. So in my case, I'm just going to use Gmail. So I'm just going to go in and see my inbox from right over here. And here you can see that I can see my invitation. So here it says, okay, like someone has invited me to the meeting. So if I were to click on this, what I view is my meeting link. So you can see that it says Pratik Pradhan is inviting you to join a video meeting happening right now. So no one else is in the call right now. So you can just join the meeting right here. So once you click on join meeting, what happens is that the link for the meeting actually opens up just like this. So you can see that one person is already here in the meeting. So you can set up your microphone and your camera just like this. I'm just going to go around and let's say that's it. I'm just going to mute my camera right here so that I don't get an echo error. So I'm just going to go around and then click on join meeting, join now. So what happens is that now I'm in that meeting right there, and then I can see the participants. In this case, like both of them are me in different systems. So you can see that I'm here and the other person is here, and I'm able to communicate with the other person. I can say hi right here, and then they can say hi back as well, just like that from over there. And that is how we can communicate just like that. So that is how you can join in Google Meet meeting through an invitation. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.